Living in Weston, Massachusetts, means experiencing the full range of New England's weather, from icy winter winds to humid summer days. Over time, this constant exposure takes a toll on your home's windows. Whether it's drafts, condensation, or fading finishes, window issues can affect both your comfort and your home's energy performance. Fortunately, modern window replacement provides lasting solutions that improve comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Here's a closer look at some of the most common window problems in Weston homes, and how upgrading to high-quality replacements can fix them once and for all. Drafts and air leaks. Few things are more frustrating during a Massachusetts winter than feeling a cold draft coming from your windows. Older wooden frames often shrink or warp over time, while outdated single-pane glass does little to keep the cold out. These air leaks can cause uneven room temperatures, forcing your heating system to work harder and increasing your utility bills. How replacement solves it. Modern replacement windows are designed for airtight performance. Advanced features like double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and precision weather stripping prevent cold air from seeping in and warm air from escaping. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, eliminating gaps that lead to drafts. With new windows, your Weston home stays cozy all winter long, without the extra energy costs. Condensation and moisture buildup. Condensation forming between window panes or along the frame is another common issue in older homes. This happens when seals fail, allowing moisture to enter the space between glass layers. Over time, it can lead to foggy glass, mold growth, and even rot around the window frame. How replacement solves it. New replacement windows feature sealed, gas-filled panes and low-conductivity materials that minimize temperature differences and prevent condensation. They're also built with durable frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that resist rot and humidity, perfect for Weston's variable climate. Not only do these windows keep moisture out, but they also help maintain a healthier indoor environment. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are sticking, jamming, or refusing to stay open, you're not alone. Over time, older wooden or aluminum frames can swell, rust, or warp, making them difficult to operate. This isn't just inconvenient, it can be a safety hazard, especially in emergency situations. How replacement solves it. New window designs feature smooth operating tracks and balance systems that make opening and closing effortless. Whether you choose double-hung, slider, or casement windows, modern materials ensure consistent performance without swelling or sticking. Professional installation guarantees proper alignment and functionality, so you can enjoy easy operation for years to come. Noise infiltration from outdoors. Weston's serene neighborhoods are occasionally interrupted by traffic, lawn equipment, or nearby construction noise. Older windows with thin glass or poor sealing allow these sounds to filter in, disrupting your home's peace and quiet. How replacement solves it. Modern windows use sound insulating technology, including multi-pane glass, argon gas fills, and thicker frames, to block outside noise. The result is a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you're working from home, relaxing, or getting a good night's rest, upgraded windows make a noticeable difference. Faded frames and outdated styles. Beyond functionality, old windows can make your home look dated. Peeling paint, discolored trim, or foggy glass can diminish curb appeal and even affect resale value. How replacement solves it. Replacement windows come in a variety of modern styles and finishes that complement Weston's beautiful architecture, from colonial to contemporary. Durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist fading, peeling, and weather damage. With options for custom colors, trim, and grids, new windows give your home a refreshed, upscale appearance that lasts for decades. High energy bills. If your energy costs seem to climb every season, inefficient windows are often to blame. Outdated designs allow excessive heat transfer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain comfort. How replacement solves it. Energy-efficient replacement windows feature low-E coatings, multiple glass layers, and insulated frames that minimize heat loss in winter and reduce solar heat gain in summer. This helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces energy consumption, saving Weston homeowners hundreds of dollars a year on utilities. Final thoughts: from drafts and condensation to outdated designs, old windows can create real problems for Weston homeowners. The good news is that modern replacement windows solve these issues with advanced materials, superior insulation, and precise installation. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy improved comfort, lower energy bills, and a more beautiful, functional home, perfectly equipped for Massachusetts' four-season climate. If your windows are showing signs of age, now's the ideal time to explore professional window replacement options that can transform your Weston home inside and out.